In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step instructions on how to recalibrate your newly installed battery on your iPhone. Just make sure software is up to the latest version of iOS. For us today, it's 26.5. For you tomorrow, it might be 26, it might be 27, I don't know. Right, in parts and service, you will see a new battery was detected, where we can now click restart and finish repair. And to do this, you need to be plugged into power. Well, it says that you need to be plugged into power. I guess that's just so it doesn't disconnect halfway through. Click restart and finish repair, and then it's going to take a little while to turn back on, so we'll fast forward this bit. After a few minutes, you will be greeted by this screen, which is the diagnostics and a repair menu. Once you're on there, just click continue, and then you're going to have to connect to Wi-Fi. It's important to note that you can't do this through a hotspot. So you do need a stable Wi-Fi connection to complete the configuration through Apple's server. Once you've got the Wi-Fi password entered, you've got to agree to the terms and conditions, and then you're going to choose finish repair. It will then scan the phone, I guess, to figure out what part needs to be configured. In this case, obviously, we've replaced the battery, so it's going to have a little think about that. It's popped up saying finish repair battery. Another important note at this point would be if there are parts that are aftermarket, it can mess with it too. So if there's a screen on an aftermarket screen and a genuine battery, it can mess things up a little bit for configuration. In this case, obviously we've just replaced the battery, so we're just going to choose continue. The phone will do its thing now. It's just going to tell us it's done in a second, and then I'll show you that it's worked, I guess. Once it's said it's done, then you choose restart, and that is literally going to restart the phone. So now we can go into settings, battery health and charging, and after a minute it will take a second just to load up, and it should say 100% at this point. We'll just bear with it a second, and that's it. Maximum capacity 100%. If we go back a couple of times, go general and about, in parts and service history, it should say that the battery's been replaced with a genuine one. On some, it says the date. I don't think it does on the 12 mini. Once you've done that, that's recalibration completed, and that is how it's done. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.